I know that you guys probably have like some type of private or secret Facebook group within your salon company now. So you're already doing the dang thing, which is amazing. So what I've created is a private Facebook group, and I've been extremely strategic in who I've added to this group. So, I love my friends and family, but I've really tried my hardest to add my guests to this. So it's almost like a VIP kind of program, or like a blast email, but just for my guests, right? So this is it. And again, a private group is very specific, because if it's private, then whoever is following you can also add their friends, versus secret. A secret group, Michael, those people can't add anyone else.
Right.
So it needs to be private in order to do that. So you'll see, if you go down, some of these I've posted, it might just be some of my work that I've done, but more than anything, and here's an amazing client of mine, Ashley. She's just posting. A lot of clients are like, I can't wait for my next appointment. Again, it's like a VIP program just for your clients. But this is what's amazing, Michael. So I'll post something like this, and I'm going to show you how to make this in just a second. So this is a great example. This week's last minute openings, tomorrow only. It says exactly what it is, right? So 1:30 and 7:45 open. But what's more amazing about this private Facebook page, I've never seen anything like this. When I post my openings, less than 5 minutes, typically 1 to 3 minutes, those openings are completely booked. I had posted something like, can you take a guess at how many inches we cut off? Closest to the guest receives a deep conditioning treatment on your next visit. And I said I would post the winner later on. So I'm not posting. I just posted this cute, adorable, sassy little haircut. And then everybody's posting like 15 comments, 7, it's seen by 27 different people. Wow. And within 5 hours, I went ahead and posted like, okay, it was 7 inches. Whoever was closest to that actually got a free treatment. So, and I'll tell you that a guest that won was a guest I haven't seen in a while. And she said, now I have to come in. I was like, yeah, you do, girlfriend. So it was just an amazing way to kind of get some people back in there.
So
And I love it because what's cool about this, Michael, is when I make a post, it doesn't get lost in Facebook, because it alerts your phone saying that CaylaRae made a post in her private Facebook page. So, if a guest followed me on this and didn't want to kind of get those alerts, they could hide it. But most of the time it's alerting their phones, and they're saying, oh, wow, I could totally go get my hair done this evening. Or they're just, I find that guests will post on it saying, I can't wait to see you. So it's really kind of creating a community just of my guests that see me, which has been so fun.
What I'm loving about this, CaylaRae, is it's simple.
Yes.
So it's really it's a private page, not secret, so that other people that are potential guests can become a member. Now they request being a member, and you accept them. Is that kind of sort of how that works?
You can actually set it up to just say join all.
All right,
so everyone
if they click join, they're in. So you're making it real easy for people to get to your community.
So imagine even running a promotion, Michael, that said, the first, I don't know, let me make this up. The first person that gets 10 new followers on this page gets a free deep conditioning treatment, because it would be your friends.
Oh, wow.
So my guests would add 10 of their friends that I've never met anymore, and they're able to kind of see some of my work. So the amount of people that can see that, holy cow.